Hello everybody, hope everybody is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. These are the two denim jean purses that I bought on Amazon. I had them for almost a year now, and they are doing really well in this type of weather so far. I'm really impressed. I can't believe it how big, the sizing of these denim bags, how much I can put in. They're quite big. That's what I'm trying to say. And I really love both of them. I'm definitely going to get two more. Hopefully sometime in March. I would like to get two more purses. They have them on Amazon. Just look up denim purses, and that's what I did. And these two came up. I really love the detail on these purses. And they are holding up really well, especially in the wintertime here. And yeah, like I said, I really love the detail on these. It's almost like you're wearing a pair of jeans. And I really love these. I get compliments all the time when I go out when I wear these. And these are my favorite denim purses so far. And I got two new ones in my cart waiting for me, and I can't wait to buy them. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys, and stay warm.